When your order is approved, there are a few administrative tasks to take care of. We'll assume this order here was approved, so we'll open it and change the status to approved order. Changing the status can issue automated notifications to select people in the company to make sure they're aware of this approval so they can begin to perform other administrative tasks. In addition to the approval, you'll probably want to document how the order was authorized. In this case, we can choose from a variety of database-defined options. The most common would be a customer PO. Here, we're going to choose the date on which the job was approved, enter the customer's PO number, and the amount. You can use IQ documents to upload these purchase orders so you can track them all in one place. We'll come out to our PO, find it on our computer, click Open, and drop it into the purchase order directory. Finally, to support our scheduler, we'll want to select which dates the customer is requesting the work to be performed. In this case, we'll say they're asking for Thursday and Friday. You'll notice as soon as I selected the requested end date, a drop list called Dates Are appeared. This allows you to tell the scheduler whether these dates are firm, flexible, or some other categorization. Once this is done, you can click Save and Close, and the order will be approved and ready for scheduling.